Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Sotelo. My project is about Crunchyroll, a popular service for users to access anime-related content. The service is used mainly on desktop, television, mobile, and tablet interfaces. Crunchyroll will be evaluated by two usability principles and two accessibility principles. These principles enhance the user experience and expands digital products to a wide variety of people. To start off, I will talk about the usability principles, permit easy reversal of actions, and reduce short-term memory load. While reviewing Shneiderman's 8 golden rules, this is defined by the system's permission to undo actions through simple navigation. Crunchyroll demonstrated reversal of action fairly well when inputting information to find specific anime. The search button is displayed on the right side of the navigation bar. Regardless of what page they're on, they can immediately search. As shown in the screenshot at the bottom of this slide, there's an X icon on the right side to reset and delete the user's current text input. In this example, the text input is Hunter x Hunter. They're able to explore different features on their own accord without the need to fully commit to an action. Another example is adding a show to their watch list. Referring to the screenshots on the right of this slide, when someone hovers over a card and clicks on the bookmark icon, the icon will be filled in and include a new tooltip that states remove from watch list. They immediately have to click on the icon again to remove the show. However, Crunchyroll can improve on the reversal of action once a show is selected. While I navigate to the live site, there surprisingly isn't a noticeable back button when the user wants to return to a previous screen after mistakenly clicking on a video. The quickest way to go back is by clicking on the show title at the bottom of the screen. A back arrow button on the top left of the screen would offer faster navigation. Reducing short-term memory load takes weight off of the user and lets them trust the system's data collection. This principle can be defined by taking advantage of recognition over recall and providing sensory cues to perform the necessary actions. As shown in the image on the bottom left of this slide, Crunchyroll supports the principle by including a catch-up before the new season section. If someone is searching for a specific show that is ongoing or has a new season released within the year, they can easily find the series in this list. As we go back to the live site, we have the ability to view episodes by release dates. The homepage includes episodes that have aired today, yesterday, or by week if we click on the button View Release Calendar. Users who like to stay updated on multiple shows can ensure they are watching the latest episodes without memorizing the day of the week that the episode comes out. Third of all, users would like to know the context before watching the entire video. They can read the summary at the bottom of the page. This helps them decide if they want to continue watching. Lastly, the screenshot on the right side of this slide demonstrates how users can adjust audio language and closed caption. This feature prevents repeated manual actions of changing language and closed captions for every video. In terms of accessibility, I will discuss the principles perceivable and understandable. Perceivability means that the interface provides cues and features that are perceivable through sight, hearing, and touch. This information should be able to transform for different senses and should not depend on stylistic choices to be perceived. Crunchyroll addresses this principle partially, but does not provide sufficient features. As we play an episode in the Portuguese dub and turn on closed captions, they don't appear.
Deve ter alguém.
There's a lack of visual cue for some languages. This platform can improve on their incorporation of audio as well. For example, there's no audio on the website unless the user clicks on a video to play. A recommendation is to include the first couple seconds of dialogue when hovering over each card on the homepage. Lastly, the image on the right side of the slide displays how there is a lack of descriptive alt text and audio accessibility. When hovering over episodes, it will only visually display the season and episode title. It does not disclose the series title, which limits clarity for the visually impaired and users with hearing disabilities. Understandability means that the interface is universally comprehensible to a wide range of users from different cognitive abilities. To support this principle, buttons should be consistent and easy to predict throughout the system. Crunchyroll supports this principle by adding customized access to certain content. The screenshot on the top right demonstrates how they can tailor entertainment to users of all ages. General parental guidance that includes mildly rude humor are people over 12 years old. Also, the screenshot on the bottom right displays an age and content warning if a video contains any sensitive information. Lastly, the live site shows how the main buttons for navigation stay at the top of the page. This includes menus that organize shows by genre and watch lists that people can create based on age category. To conclude, Crunchyroll adheres to the principles of action reversal, reducing short-term memory load and understandability. However, it can improve on perceivability. This platform has amazing features as is and helps a variety of users to enjoy their experience with anime-related content. Here are my works cited, and thanks for listening.